What's up, YouTube world? As promised, I am going to tell y'all how I started a business with $100. So basically, I'm gonna try to make this quick. Like I said in the first video, I had a commercial cleaning franchise. So in that commercial cleaning franchise, of course, I met people and I had connects or whatever. So one of the other franchise owners, she was into a lot of different things. She was into real estate, and she also happened to have a barbershop. But it was nobody working in it. She just had a building. It was fully furnished with all the barber equipment in it. But she said she never opened it because she couldn't find a master barber. So I seen it, and once I seen it, I was like, wow. So I went home that same night. I put together a plan, a nice good plan. I Googled, a little template on business plans, all of that. Same way I did any other business plan I did. And so I sent her a plan. I pitched to her. She seen it. She entertained it, and I wasn't really surprised. I mean, it was a good plan. She responded, tweaked a few things. She sent it back. I sent it back with a few more tweaks. She sent it back, and we went back and forth, and we finally came out with a deal. And so what the deal was basically, she let me in there, get the first month rent free. And she just wanted for me to get my doors open as soon as possible, get some workers in there and get the doors open as soon as possible, so I could start generating money, so she could start making money, because she also owned the building itself. So she needed somebody to rent it out because she was paying mortgage on it. So so that's what I did. And the only stipulation was, after we negotiated and we came up with a deal where I would come up with no money up front or whatever, she was like, well, I gotta have something, so I tell you what, give me $100, what did she call it, earnest money deposit or whatever. So I gave her $100 earnest money deposit, and that was pretty much, we closed the deal just like that, and there was nothing to it. I mean, so only thing I had to do after that was, of course, after getting workers in there, which cost me nothing. The equipment was already there, like I said, so all I had to do was go online, get incorporated, get my EIN number, which was free. The incorporation fee was like $125. I didn't get a business license because I just didn't. I was strapped for cash at that time, so I just did what it took at the time to get the doors open, like she said. And plus, in order to open a bank account, you don't necessarily have to have a business license there. So, but anyway, so yeah, I did that later. But I opened up the doors. I got my articles of incorporation, and I had my tax ID number, and I opened the doors just like that. And so the first week when we had the doors open, we were kind of nervous because I didn't have my business license up in the window. But anyway, so as the money poured in, I started getting the business license after the first week. And I started getting, whatever else we needed to do. I started paying her. As money came in, I paid her some, I kept some. Paid her some and kept some. And to the point where I got up to the agreed upon rent, which we negotiated all that in the deal. But of course, at the time, I couldn't, business wasn't doing as well as I needed it to. So within a year's time, I ended up having to close that business. But the moral of the story was, you can open a business with $100. You can open a business with no money. It's about who you know, what you know, and how you negotiate. So the bottom line, I mean, just get out there and do what you got to do. Network, build relationships. Networking is not just trying to know as many people as possible and see what you can get out of them. No, networking is building relationships. When you see someone that you want to become a partner with, if you want to network with, you should think the first thing that should come to your mind is, what can I offer that person? I knew what I could offer her: some money to pay that mortgage that she had. I noticed she has to pay the rent anyway. She has her mortgage anyway, so she could use a renter, even if it's just me paying her mortgage every month, just so she could break even. So that's what I saw that I could bring to the table. And so I hope that was kind of a good lesson for y'all. I try to do better, start maybe writing notes so I can go a little bit more in detail, because every time I go back and I watch one of my videos, I think of so many things that I left out. But I get better at it. I'm a rookie at this. So again, please subscribe, keep the likes coming, comment if you will, share the video, check out Think and Grow Rich, the audio book on my page. What else? Look at the Law of Attraction, The Secret, all of that. I mean, whatever, man. Just surround yourself by positive people. Think positive, be positive. The sky's the limit. I'm doing things right now that I didn't even think were possible. I mean, I could dream them, but until I started believing in my dream, then that's when I knew that it was possible. So again, just keep your head up, surround yourself by positive people, and do great things. Thank you.